Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make root catcher with jumping in Scratch. So I'll use the scratch cut, I'll use the size of the scratch cut. I'll remove this. I'll add a basket on top of the scratch cut's head. When flag clicked, forever, I make a new variable with a space only called gravity, with G for gravity. I make a new variable called speed y. Set G to 0.1. Change y by speed y. Set speed y to 0. Change speed y by g. Change speed y by g times -1. Now I need to make a ground for the scratch cards to fall on. If it's subject sprite 2, which is the ground, I'll make a new sprite called rev y, which is the previous y. Set prev y, that's previous y, to set it to the current y position. If the subject sprite 2, set y to prev y. Now I need to add jumping. If then key space pressed, set speed y to 5. That's a bit too high, to 2. Next, if key right arrow pressed. This one is if key left arrow pressed. Change x by 4, change x by -4. Finally, I'll make the apples. I'll just make the things to be fine to be these purple circles. Create a clone of myself. Wait 1 second. When I start as a clone, repeat until touching edge. Then delete this clone. If then touching sprite 1, I'll lose this my variable as a score. I'll change my variable by 1. Set my variable to 0. I'll change y by -10. I'll then delete this clone. This will go to x. I'll make this to move 10 steps. I'll make this in a separate when flag clicked. I have to make this faster. This isn't fast enough. Change this to 10. -10. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel, Overcode. Bye.